Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a
I
100
understand.
Okay. So are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you
None.
healthy? Okay, are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am. No.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because ma'am, my sister is ma'am. Is working in Malaysia for 6 years.
Your sister
Then
still
now,
working here?
6 years, ma'am. And now she's in Hong Kong for 4 years.
Okay. So, being a first timer, do you think what is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Hardworking,
And then,
um, patient, um, kindness.
okay, what is your
That
name?
I'm Joy Quintilian.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years of age.
Are you
30
single or
years
married?
married mom.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband age is 32 years old. He's, he's farmer.
How old are you?
30 years old.
When is your
Years old.
birthday?
August 31, 1995.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 flat,
What about your weight?
55 centimeter.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
Okay, so how many children do you have?
Ma'am, pardon.
How many children do you have?
Son.
How many
Two, son,
children?
two kids, ma'am.
How
Two
old
kids.
how old
One
are
son
those
and one daughter.
children?
My son, firstborn, my son is 8 years old.
The
And my
second?
second-born girl is 6 years old.
All right. So who will going to look after your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My husband and my uh, sis- sister.
How many brother and sister do you have?
My brothers, three brothers and two sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
I'm the third one.
What about your parents?
This is mom, my
Both
parents.
deceased.
Yes, yes, mom.
All right. So according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines way back 2021 to 2025, correct?
Yes, mom.
Is it
For
housemaid?
5 years. Yes, mom.
In which part of the Philippines?
Paranaque, mom. Paranaque.
Is it stay in maid?
Yes, mom.
All right. So you worked for 4 years, way back 2021 to 2025.
Yes, mom. Yes, mom. That's right.
What is your job responsibilities inside the house?
cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, um, marketing, gardening, and taking care of children.
How many children you take care?
Two,
How
two
old
children.
how old are those children?
7 months old girl and 4 years old. No, 7 years old boy and 4 years old girl. 7 months.
Okay. So working abroad is not that so easy. It is a very tough one. Are you sure that you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to finish my contract. My 2 years
Houses
contract.
houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you
I'm
take
willing.
care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I cook.
Can you
I
caregiving?
cook. I cook Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No experience, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is a 2 years contract, and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer at the same time with the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during
My
night.
sister told, my sister told me about that the cell phone.
Okay, so you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And this is a strictly no go out policy. You cannot go out during your rest day. You can stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All right. So we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, you better stay in the Philippines. Don't come here so that you won't give us problem. But if you're really determined to come and work here, please work properly and don't give us problem at the same time. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Normally, being a first timer, homesickness will frequently attack you anytime and anywhere. So how are you gonna deal with it later?
Yes, and ma'am. Um, I am myself busy, and then just concentrate my job.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. In
Yes,
Philippines,
ma'am.
you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems,
Yes,
any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am. I
think that's all
understand.
for now. Thank you for your time, Joy. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank
Thank
you,
you
ma'am.
so
Thank you
much and
so
have a
much,
good day.
ma'am.
Bye.
God bless.